TRESemme Keratin Smooth Hair Serum is best hair serum for hair care. Welcome to our channel, Hair Zone Solution. TRESemme Keratin Smooth Hair Serum helps your hair restore its keratin, leaving them visibly straight and smoother. Infused with the goodness of camellia oil, this professional serum nourishes each strand of your hair, making them silky smooth and easier to manage. This unique combination of keratin and camellia oil conditions and strengthens your hair and provides them hydration and elasticity. With its dual action, TRESemme Keratin Smooth Hair Serum helps you get up to 100% smoother hair with more shine. TRESemme Keratin Smooth Hair Serum is best hair serum for hair care. When used together with the TRESemme Keratin Smooth Shampoo and Conditioner, this nourishing system controls frizz for as long as up to 3 days. Recommended by professionals, the TRESemme Keratin Smooth Hair Serum is especially formulated for Indian hair and is suitable for both naturally and chemically treated hair. It is also suitable for use in conjunction with any oil treatments. Suitable for both men and women. To use, apply Keratin Smooth Shampoo to wet hair and gently massage to work into a lather. Rinse hair thoroughly. Follow with the TRESemme Keratin Smooth Conditioner for an extra boost of smoothness. Apply TRESemme Keratin Smooth Hair Serum to damp or dry hair evenly, avoiding roots. Now, get visibly straighter, smoother hair that is easier to style. Buy now to enjoy gorgeous, salon-quality smooth hair every day without the salon price tag. Camellia oil and keratin protein. To give the power of keratin protein with the nourishing effects of camellia oil helps improve the overall quality of your tresses. Keratin protein, a natural protein that makes up most of your hair, it tackles dryness and controls damage. Camellia oil, known to tame frizziness, makes your hair more manageable and adds long-lasting vibrancy and shine. Tackles split ends, tames unruly hair and makes them a lot more manageable. It is suitable for both natural as well as chemically treated hair. How to use TRESemme Keratin Smooth Hair Serum. Step 1. Wash your hair with TRESemme Keratin Smooth Shampoo. Step 2. Use TRESemme Keratin Smooth Conditioner and rinse thoroughly. Step 3. Apply Keratin Smooth Hair Serum to damp or dry hair. Dispense into hands and work evenly, avoiding roots. This best hair serum is suitable for both natural as well as chemically treated hair. TRESemme Keratin Smooth Hair Serum is best hair serum for hair care. You will get the product link in the description box. To buy this product, just click on the link given below. Please like and share this video, and subscribe our channel, Hair Zone Solution.